तुमची इंडस्ट्री कसली आणि किती प्रॉडक्ट्स
हॅलो, म्हजें नांव सुमुख कुलकर्णी. आमच्या कंपनीचें नांव गोवा इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स इंडस्ट्रीज प्रायवेट लिमिटेड. आमी हांगा प्रेशर गेज, टेम्परेचर गेज, RTD, थर्मोकपल, थर्मोवेल तयार करतात. बेसिकली instruments to measure pressure and temperature, which is used in many companies like pharma companies, like petrochemical, oil and gas, power plants. गोंयान सुद्दां हें यूज जाता. एक्चुली फक्त इतलें जाता की गोंयान जे यूज जाता ते चडशे भायल्यान हाडून हांगा यूज करतात, कारण हांगा जे प्लांट्स आसात तांचे मेन जे डिसायडींग ऑथॉरिटीज असतात, परचेस आसता, ते तांच्या हेडक्वॉर्टर्सान जाता, वीच इज नॉट इन गोवा. सो मागीर जाता अशें की आमकां हांगा चान्स मातसो मेळप डिफिकल्ट जाता, बिकॉज द कंपनीज वीच आर बेस्ड इन मेट्रो सिटीज कॉन्टॅक्ट द हेडक्वॉर्टर्स आनी थंय रिलेशनशीप जावन थंयच्यान फक्त ऑर्डर प्लेस जावन हांगा आयटम सप्लाय जाता. सो आमकां हांगा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी गोंयान आसात कस्टमर्स जाल्यार आमकां मेळ्ळी जाल्यार येस, इट वील बी गूड फॉर अस. आमची इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट इज व्हेरी ओल्ड इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट, आनी द good points to say is, I should say that the roads are good if I compare it with other industrial estates, and we have a good IDC staff here which come and meet us. They are in touch with us, and it is actually a very cordial relationship. So hanga तशें आमकां व्हडलो कितें त्रास जाता, न्यूसन्स जाता अशें ना. But yes, we for a long time are requesting IDC that आमकां जे 2 एंट्रन्स आसात ते दोनूय एंट्रन्साक गेट आसप, सो दॅट हांगा एंट्री एंड एक्झीट इज कंट्रोल्ड, सो दॅट देर आर नॉट पर्सन्स फ्रॉम एनी अदर एरियाज ऑर नॉट रिलेटेड टू दीस इंडस्ट्री हांगा बेश्टे इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटान येवन बसप आनी कितें तें मागीर अवॉयड जातलें ऑटोमॅटिकली. Garbage collection does not happen in our industrial estate. We pay the taxes to IDC, then it goes to the municipality. Tari garbage collection hanga जायना. So that is our very big request की ते garbage collection hanga जावप, so that जी आमची I can say comparatively clean compared to other industrial estate, ती आनीक clean दिसतली, automatically maintain जातली. These are small requests which I am sure they can implement and which can start immediately. We do not have much power outage problems, touch wood. We have a HT line, we have a LT line, and we are having as such no problem of power outages. We also request the government that they have started with the apprenticeship program, National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. So we have also written to the government that we also need apprentice. We fall short of good candidates for our industry. There are it gets difficult to get even a BSc graduate who can work in our industry. We are ready to train them. We go to the nearby colleges, we request them to send. Somehow this gap of demand and supply in manpower is not bridged. And if I go to the skilled manpower for our industry like welders and turners, then it gets even more difficult. The ITI schools, though they have subjects, they have the streams, sometimes I understand that no boy or girl wants to enroll in that subjects. So that awareness we should now have in our schools, that these are the alternate career lines. And today, yes, yes, along with the new technology of artificial intelligence or machine learning or whatever they call in software, there is always a mechanical base that any economy needs. So we should, government, we are ready to help any apprentice, any new candidates. The government should put a focus on mechanical stream, manufacturing, as you know, all statistics show that small scale industry is the backbone of economy of India, and in small scale industry mechanical area is very large. Unfortunately, there is demand supply gap. There are not good candidates for welder stream, turner stream, machinist stream, what we call milling. So do help us in finding good candidates so that we can grow. We fall short. So that is the request to the society, to the government. Thank you.
सध्या सर आमी पळयता की पावसाचे दीस आसा, सो पावसाच्या दिसान मेनली जे प्रॉब्लम्स आसा ते म्हणजे उदकाचे भायर वयपाचे किंवा उदक जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम आसता किंवा इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटीनी म्हण किंवा आमी भायर आमी पळयतात ती झाडां वाडटा. सो हांगासर सुद्दां आमी पयलें की एंट्रन्साक झाडां वाडलेलीं आसा. सो खंय ना खंय तरी इंडस्ट्री ग्रो जाता बरोबर आहा, बट ही जेन्ना क्लेनलीनेस आसता तेन्ना एक वेळ बरें दिसता. तुमचें कितें म्हणणें?
Yes, very true. Beautification is one important angle. आमी आतां हांगाच आसात, हांगाच वाडल्या म्हणल्यार केन्ना केन्ना ते नजर अंदाज जाता, इतलें दिसना. बट फॉर अ पर्सन हू कम्स आउटसायड, he feels little odd that there is vegetation grown on both sides of the road, especially during monsoons. So हे समज regularly maintain केलें जाल्यार yes, the industrial estate will look appealing to the new investors who are coming, to any customers who come to this industrial estate. I agree. आनी समज म्हाका आनी कितें आमच्या इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटा बद्दल सांगपाचें जाल्यार विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द स्ट्रीट लायट, सो वी आर इन टच विथ द IDC, द लोकल स्टाफ, सो दे आर व्हेरी एक्टीव. सो ते आतां खूब प्रेशरायज करतात टू द कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट्स आनी विथ द अथॉरिटीज, आनी तांच्यांनी अश्युअर केल्या की ही इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट आसतली इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रीट लायट्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लेनलीनेस. सो दे आर सपोर्टीव to the industries which are functioning in this area.